Okay, everybody, we got back to the trailer where I did the roof, put the new skylight on up there. As you can see, way right there. Put that on. Put that skylight on there. Now they want metal put up, white metal laying there. They want it put up underneath for underpinning. So this is how I will do it. I will dig it all out, make it as level and even as possible with the 2x4 on the bottom. I'm going to cut rebar, put down through, drill holes and put down through there to anchor that to the ground. And then up underneath, as you can see, I don't know if you can, right there, there is going to be a 1x1 little square boards put up in there in that groove to give me something to attach to all the way down through there. And then the metal, I'll build a little frame like that one right there, put it up, slats, metal where they go, all the way down through there. That's how I will fix this for my time to do it. You want me to do it? This is how I'd like to do it. Now I got to tear all that out down through there, all the way. But slowly but surely we're getting there. We got a lot of trash to get out and had to separate all the panels and get them down and get them out of your way, and you got to clean up before you can put back. So I mean, stop to take a break. Figured I would put in a little video there and show you guys what I'm doing. Got to fill in some holes and gaps right there. I want to recommend spraying for spiders, because wow, there's a lot of them. But all right, everybody, got everything all out. Got the rebar there. Leaf blower, gotta have it, blow them spiders out of there. But hey, that's the way it is. Gotta do it. Hey, like and subscribe. Remember,